Good morning everyone. I am Anshul Sharma, a student at the Cavalier, Rajouri Garden, Delhi. I came to know about the Cavalier from the internet. I took the NDA written examination coaching from the Cavalier in April month in the online mode. I was taught by teachers like Shekhar sir for maths, Goldie ma'am for English, Abhishek sir for science, and Jha sir for GS. More than teachers, they were supporters to me. They always supported me and guided me to clear the NDA examination. I was able to clear the NDA examination, which was conducted in the month of November, 14th November, through my hard work and the continuous efforts of my teachers and their guidance. After that, after clearing the NDA written examination, I took the SSB coaching from the Cavalier. I currently have two SSBs coming up. One is for the technical entry, and one is for the NDA written NDA entry. I was after joining the Cavalier for the SSB coaching. I have seen a lot of difference in my personality. I took the 2 weeks coaching from the Cavalier. Since the last week I entered Cavalier, I have seen a lot of changes in me. First, I was a little hesitant in addressing a large audience or speaking in front of people. But after practicing all the lecturates here and after using all the tips and tricks which were given to me by the teachers here, I have been able to address the all the hesitance which was in me was removed by the practice which I did with the teachers here. Now I am able to communicate my thoughts in a organized manner, and I am still working on it, and I am sure I'll be able to fulfill all the requirements which are required to address a large audience. Apart from that, I also learned how to optimize time or how to make the correct use of time whenever we are free or whenever we are given a task. I'm also working on that, and I'm sure I'll be able to learn it in a very short while, and I'll continue to make efforts for it. Talking about the teachers here, we had Commodore Jaitley sir for as our interviewing officer. We gave two mock interviews at the Cavalier, out of which they were recorded as well. So after the interviews were conducted, we were we were talked about we were taught about the weak points which we had, where we were lacking, so we could work upon that weak points to be able to conquer our weak points, and to basically improve our communication skills and improve our performance at the interview. Apart from that, we had KK Dua sir as our Commodore KK Dua sir as our psychologist officer here. He taught us a lot of things like how to write the stories in the TAT exercise, in the WAT exercise, the SRTs which are conducted, and the self description as well. So more than a teacher, he motivated us for our SSBs. He taught us the qualities of self belief, the officer like qualities which are required to get into the armed forces. Apart from this, we had Colonel Sharma sir and Colonel Chabra sir as our group task officers here. We were also taken to the outside for the outside activity at the Cavalier, where we were told to perform all the tasks: the command task, the progressive group task, half group tasks, full group tasks. And apart from that, we also had a very interactive group sessions like the group discussion activities and the lecturate, where we are supposed to address a large number of people sitting in front of us. So all this was a great experience at the Cavalier, and I came to know a lot about the Cavalier through this experience. Thank you.